All right, guys, so we are going to give it a try. We're going to do a project in green architecture, master bedroom project. So we're going to see how you do on this one. First things first, we're going to do, this is a two-step project. First thing you're going to do is create a drawing using 1/4 inch scale of a bedroom, master bedroom. So that means it has to have a bathroom included. The criteria, you're also going to create a 3D image of that bedroom using the floor planner software that I found. It's not Revit, which is what I would be teaching you in class, but it is the best we've got for the circumstances. The criteria that are required in this project are you're going to measure walls. You're going to dimension the furniture in the room, have an attached master bathroom with fixtures, at least one window, at least two doors, a closet, and your room must be in total 400 square feet or less. I do want you to draw the furniture to the best of your ability using either a template from reading a floor plan or just drawing it in there. And then you're going to create a floor plan using the software that I am giving you. Okay. So you're going to determine the length and width of the room that you want. Again, 400 square feet. So you can do an easy 20 by 20 and call it good, or you can get creative with it. That includes the bathroom and the closet, the 400 square feet. Also note any installations or built-in furniture pieces that can't be moved. We're going to use a ruler. You're going to have a couple of options on the drawing part of this. You can either use graph paper or you can use, I found some 3D or some virtual graph paper that you can use as well. Okay, so this is without a scale ruler. We can still do scale. This is an inch, a regular 1 inch ruler. On the top, this is the actual scale ruler that we use. We would be using in class. What this is going to show you is that each 1/4 of an inch is equivalent to 1 foot on the scale ruler. So for every inch or 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot. All right. So on your ruler, if you're going to measure it out, every 1/4 of an inch is going to equal to 1 foot. So if you have 20 feet by 20 feet, you're going to have, um, that's how that's going to work out. Now, if you want to get fancy with it and have some inches, 19 feet, 6 inches, so to speak, then you can use the inches mark. So on our scale ruler, this is the part that measures the inches. Each of these lines is equivalent to 1 inch. Okay, so there's 12 lines, that means 1 foot. All right, so you can decipher that on your regular ruler. So with your 1/4 of an inch, okay, then you can kind of determine, so every line, pretty much every line in here is going to equal an inch. So it's pretty much the same. Okay. So there is a close-up of that so you have an idea. Just some things to consider, not necessarily criteria, but the traffic patterns in your room. Where's the balance of lines in your room? Okay, think about equal access to every side of your room. So just when you're designing a room in general, okay, what is the focus in your room and where is the access point so that you can put your ceiling fans and things like that. This is the rubric that I will be grading it. You're going to have 2 grades for this one assignment. One grade is going to be for the drawing itself. The other grade is going to be for the 3D, the software version. All right, so this is what we're looking for. Advancing, I don't have a problem giving anybody a 4 if you just go over and above. So this is everything I'm asking for plus some. Okay, so I want to know that you really got into it and you really did your very best with it. You will have, this isn't necessarily a worksheet. It's more of a where you're going to go to get the information you need. So this is the floor planner dashboard right here. This has the link to where you're going to go. This is a link to graph paper. Okay, so if you want to use that, this is the criteria. These are your options for your drawing. You can draw on paper using a ruler. You're going to just take a picture of your final drawing and submit that. Or you can draw on using the online graph paper, submitting a screenshot. Or you can use this shared graph paper and do it is a Cami assignment, which I have linked right here. Okay. So just again, quick reminder about your inches. When we're drawing on graph paper, if you're using 1/4 inch graph paper, 1 square equals 1 foot. Okay, 1 square equals 1 foot. So that's important to remember. All right, so you're going to want to use the correct graph paper. So for example, this is a 1/4 inch graph paper. This would be sufficient. All right, if you're using something with very large squares, that's not going to be enough. Okay, so you're going to want to use the 1/4 inch. This is linked in, so you can go ahead and use this to draw out your design. You can actually use the shapes and the drawing. So if I'm going to, I'm going to go ahead and put in my drawing. I'm going to insert a line. So I'm going to go here. That's going to be 1 foot, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 feet. Okay, and I'll go 11, 12, 13, 15. So if I do 15 feet by 15 feet, that's going to give me 300 square feet. So I'm okay with that. Or you can go 20 by 20. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 12. Okay, and then over. So then I would draw my bedroom in this square. Make sure that you add your dimensions. Okay, I want to know that this is 15 feet. I want to know that this is 15 feet 0 inches by 15 feet 0 inches or 300 square feet. Okay, so that's important. That's part of the process in there. I also am going to want you to put a door in there. Okay, so put your door, your walls for your bedroom, your floors. Well, obviously you're not going to need floors in here. So you're going to need your appliances, toilet, sink, shower, bed, that sort of thing needs to go into your drawing. Okay, so once you have that done, you can do two things. You can either share this with me, so take a share and then add that to your Google Classroom, or you can take a screenshot of it. You can put it here so that I see the screenshot here. That's fine too. Either way is sufficient. So as long as I can see your work, all right? The second part of the project is here in Floor Planner. You're going to click this link and it's going to take you, this is my floor planner. So I just logged into this using my Google account. It's a free account. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go into projects. You're going to add a new project. This is my project that I've been kind of playing around with. You're going to start a new project. And then this will be your bedroom project. Right, so you don't really have to fill any of this out. You're just going to start a project. And so with this, you're going to take your drawing and you're going to create your room. So you can start with an empty plan. You can draw the room or draw a wall. If your room is square, it's going to be easier to draw the room. So I'm going to start here. And if I go this way, If you see down here, it's going to give you width times length. Okay, so this is 24 by 19. All right, so if I wanted to have it 20 by 20, so I can kind of play with it, or I can write in 20 feet by 20 feet and see if it snaps where I want it. Nope, did it do it? Nope. Okay. So it didn't snap to what I wanted to. So this is, I don't use this very often. I use Revit instead, but it is what it is. We will figure it out together. So this is your bedroom, okay? Um, so this is be your floor plan. Then you're gonna go over here and you can put the walls, your surface area, you can place doors and windows. Up here you can place your furniture in there. You can choose living room furniture, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. You're definitely gonna want bedroom and bathroom furniture in there. And it's gonna give you the equivalent. You're just gonna click and drag and put it where you want it. You can use and turn it here this way. Okay, you can do some mirror image things. Okay, so lots of different things you can do with your with the design. So once you have your furniture in, you need at least one window and two doors. I'm asking for two doors simply because you need a door to get into the bathroom. You need a door to get out of your room. You can also do the 3D version. 3D version is pretty cool. So if you click on 3D, go here to orbit, and you can kind of look at it based on the camera view. Okay. You can also do a walkthrough, so I can look at it as if I were standing in here. So that's also pretty cool. Okay, so that'll give you kind of a visual of what your bedroom would look like as a finished product. Okay. So what I want you to do here is you can export. Um, I want a picture of this when you're done and the dimensions. So the dimensions here are automatically done for you. So if you're going to do a screenshot, you're just going to click and drag, and I want the dimensions, length times width, and the furniture on the inside. I want a picture of that, and that can be placed here. You can also, I believe, save this document, and you can export it to Google Classroom. Okay. So it'd probably be easier if you just take a picture of it and put it here. So that's the assignment. I'm going to give it a try. Let me know how it works out for you. Hopefully, I mean, it's not ideal, but it is what it is. So hopefully we can get back to school in January and I can teach you Revit. All right, so that's what we're going to try to do today. We're just going to go over it in class, and then I'm going to give you time to play around with it. So this isn't any bedroom in specific, it's just your dream bedroom. So, and again, you can change the dimensions this way, looks like. So just kind of play around with it, have some fun, enjoy the graphics. This one has pretty good graphics, I'm going to be honest. So enjoy that and have a ball. All right, good deal.